What up, YouTube family? What's happening? It's your man Danny signing in for the latest edition of Forex Trading with Danny on this wonderful March 22nd of 2022. For us to be in position to speak to you all once again. Hope everybody doing well, staying safe and healthy these days. A lot going on in the world. I definitely want to just go back over the charts, let you guys see what's going on, what has happened, and what could potentially be going on, and what we could look at going forward in the next day or so. But Forex is definitely a great vehicle for investments. If you're interested in learning more, if you're interested in being coached. I'm definitely open to, kind of bringing people up to speed on how they could possibly profit with Forex. All my information is scrolling down on the screen. My email address, dannygoodman03@gmail.com. Instagram information. Follow me there. Send me a DM there as well as subscribe to the YouTube channel. If anyone's watching, definitely feel free to leave a comment, give me some feedback, like the videos, share. But one thing I must say, though it's a great opportunity and a great investment vehicle, just like any other investments, there is a risk of loss. Just to give that disclaimer, and that any past performances do not indicate for, or they're not necessarily indicative of future results. So just like I might go over some trade opportunities today and they might not come into fruition, though on the other end they may come to fruition. So that's why you must do your due diligence, and which will give you the best probability for profit and success when it comes to Forex. So without further ado, we're going to take a look at the charts. So let me do something really quick before I present that. Boom. Boom. All right. So let me share my screen now. So this is currently what's going on. So as any of y'all might have recalled, I was previously in a trade, and I took a sale approximately here, and I held it for a little while because of some things that I was seeing. I was seeing that price was holding pretty strong at this, approximately at this price point right here. As you see, it tested it, even tested it here, and each time it rejected. So it gave me confidence to go ahead and get into the sell, and gave me confidence that it would have possibly went on down to where I was projecting it to possibly go, but it ended up turning against me. Though I could have gotten out. I could have gotten out of the deal with, at the most, maybe about 13 pips. I could have. But basically, over early this morning, that we had this previous morning, the market went against my strategy, and it continued. So it was looking like it was going to go. Like, say for instance, if we were at this candle here, it was looking like it was going to go. It was going to possibly go down. Even looking at my indicator right here, it was looking like it was going to go down, and then boom, it just shot back up. So again, like what had happened previously, here and even here, with it being so close to my stop loss, I was going to just let it ride, because even if I would have took a loss, I would have took a decent loss. So I was like, I might as well hold to see if it's going to resist like it has done previously. But then it just kept on going. So what did I do? Took my loss, um, took my lick on the chin, and I didn't cry over it. Spoiled milk. What was done, it was done. So all I can do is just anticipate the next opportunity to get back in the market, so that I can put myself in a position to, one, recoup my loss, and two, exceed that with profit. So what did I do? I got into another trade. So it lined up to where I could take this buy. I'm currently in the buy, and I'm in profit right now, as you're seeing, and it could possibly test to this point here, which could be approximately 140 something pips. So one lesson for anybody out there who's checking this out, with when it comes to Forex, you really have to be fluid with the market. You really have to be truly fluid with the market. Like, you can't marry a direction. You can't just you just got to be so stubborn to just sell. No, or you can't be so stubborn to just buy. No, sometimes the trends can change, just like we saw here. I As far as my entries, nothing was wrong with my entries. They lined up with my strategy, and anytime an entry lines up with my strategy, I'm going to get into it. The only thing that I could have probably done different was just cut my losses shorter. But at the same time, like I just went back over with you guys, like we've already been looking at, price held up here, and I had a decent analysis that the price could have rejected, like it did a few times. Like it did, here, it rejected here. But the market just is, it's just going, it's changing. So I'm not gonna cry over spilled milk again, and I'm just gonna go with the market. If the market wants to go up, I'll go up with it. So that's what we're looking to do. Well, that's what I'm looking to do. I'm looking to take this thing up about 140 pips, and that will definitely get me out of a little hole or recoup my loss, and I'll be looking to get back in a real good position. So yeah, that's basically what's going on currently. Right now, it is a little resistance going on right here, but let me see how many pips is it in right now. Almost 20 pips or so. So when it gets to maybe about 30 pips, I'm gonna bring my stop loss into profit, so that it's a situation where I cannot lose, because my stop loss, if it gets hit, I'm in profit. Because what can happen, again, it could get to this 100 to 140 pips or so, but then at the same time, it could reverse and come back down. It could trick us all. So that's why we gotta do our due diligence. We can't get emotional. We can't fear a loss. At the same time, we can't get greedy. We just gotta take what we can get when the market is giving us profits, and move on to the next opportunity. So yeah, we'll see what it does, and go from there. But yeah, this has been the latest edition of Forex Trading with Danny. Hope someone might be able to learn something from this, from my experiences. Hopefully you may be able to live vicariously through me, through my successes and my mistakes, or my losses, so that you can be a better trader, or as good, if not a better trader than me. So definitely hit me up if you want to learn more about Forex, how you could possibly get started. And, again, my information is scrolling down on the screen. And God willing, I will be back here tomorrow evening. And we'll see what's going on in the markets. But until then, I hope everybody has a great evening, or morning, or day, or depending on where you all might be. But I appreciate it. Y'all take care. I'm out. Peace out.